Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rincon, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fuller, Bluffton, Bellinger Hill area, Hutchinson Island, downtown Savannah, Savannah International Airport, Godley Station, Wilmington Island, Rincon, and Garden City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 16 between mile markers 166 and 168. Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 104 and 112. Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 2 and 11. Interstate 5-16 between mile markers 7 and 9. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.